In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GIFs in Microsoft Teams chat. GIFs are a fun and expressive way to enhance your conversation and bring a bit of personality into professional or casual chats. So let's dive right into the steps to get those animated images up and running in your Teams interactions. First off, you'll want to access Microsoft Teams. If you're new, or maybe it's been a while, simply head to your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams to locate the official website. Once you're there, look for an option that says Sign In, which you'll need to click. Next, you'll be prompted to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email and password as usual. In case you've forgotten these details or need to set up a new account, follow the on-screen instructions provided. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Teams dashboard. Look towards the left sidebar where you'll see a menu list and click on the option labeled Chat. This will lead you to your chat window where all your previous and new conversations live. Now, the next step is to select the chat where you want to insert a GIF. Browse through your existing conversations and click on one to open. If you need to start a new chat, there's an option to do that too, right within this same section. While in the chat window, direct your attention to the text box area at the bottom. You'll notice a set of icons, including one that looks like a smiley face emoji. Click on this emoji icon and a menu will expand, unveiling a variety of expressive options. Within this menu, you'll see an option specifically for GIFs. Click on it, and a library of GIFs will be at your disposal. You can either browse through popular choices or use the search bar at the top to find something specific that suits your mood or message. Once you've found the perfect GIF, go ahead and click on it. It will automatically position itself within the text input area. You're almost at the finish line. Finally, with your chosen GIF loaded up, you just need to click on the send button. This action will deliver the GIF into your chat, where it will be viewable by all participants in the conversation. And there you have it. That's how you enable and send GIFs through Microsoft Teams chat. It's a simple process that can make your conversations more engaging and fun. Feel free to experiment with different GIFs and bring a bit more life into your chats. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting with your newly unlocked GIF power.